Hey, BPM REIA, it is Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors. Super excited to be coming at you online for your meeting on Wednesday, March 5th. And I'll tell you, there's been a lot of changes. Luckily, Miami market is still very hot, but that means that we've got to compete a little bit more. We've got to compete with all the kind of retail shoppers out there, the retail buyers, and that can cause a problem for us as real estate investors. So what I'm going to start to show you on Wednesday at your main meeting online, again, totally online, accessible from anywhere, are some of the key skills that you're going to need to focus on to make things happen no matter what. And what's really cool is that these key skills are going to stay with you no matter what happens to the market as it turns and shifts or as you decide to invest elsewhere. These key skills will always be with you. These key skills are: one is marketing, two is negotiating. On Wednesday, I'm going to talk about negotiation, because think about it. When you get good at negotiating, you could actually learn how to make more money from more deals. If you get more people saying yes to you, and you get more people saying yes to you at higher rates, you'll be in exponentially better shape than you would be otherwise. That's why I want to focus deep in on negotiation and what I call my negotiation stack, and I'll explain all about that. S.T.A.C.K. Negotiation is done in a stack, and it is the negotiation stack that really can make you wildly successful with more deals and more profits out of each and every deal. So look forward to seeing you Wednesday at BPM REIA online.